This adorable little fawn, who lost half of her leg to a crop mower, has been rescued by an animal shelter in Austria. When very young, fawns are often left hiding in tall grass by their mothers while they forage for food, and tragically many fall prey to mowing machines. According to the centre, the deer tend to sit still instead of running away, relying on their natural camouflage to hide them. Thankfully, this female deer survived, although its right hind leg was mutilated by the machine. An animal shelter spokesperson told Newsflash, "Pooh Ray showed a great will to live and was in very good shape, so we decided to do the operation and give it a chance." The caregivers said they will do everything they can to help her learn how to walk. In recent years, some farms have started using drones with heat-seeking scanners to make sure fields are clear before starting to cut grass.
Like all mammals, he's warm-blooded. And to maintain his body temperature, he must eat a lot. But it's not easy to find food in this vast, empty wilderness. Wolverines have to travel up to 50 miles a day in search of it. He has an extremely sensitive nose. It's so sensitive, he can locate a carcass, even though it's frozen solid. A caribou that has been killed by the cold. Some of it he carries away. Surprisingly, perhaps, this male drops his food in the middle of nowhere and then leaves. And this is why. A female wolverine. The food is a gift for his mate. Wolverines are very secretive animals, and very few people have ever seen this caring behavior. Several days later, it becomes clear how important these deliveries of food have been. The female emerges from her den beneath the snow. And another head appears. Their 3-month-old kit. It was born and has been nurtured 2 meters below the surface. This may well be the first time it has seen the world above the snow. The kit is strong enough to accompany its mother, and they look for a meal together. Fatherly devotion helps wolverines to raise a family during this, the coldest time of the year.